You slayed it. Good job.
He's not in that window anymore. Oh, there he is.
Where? I'm throwing my misdirect. Yeah, I see him.
Yeah, get his tags. Thanks.
Engaging the enemies.
Footsteps.
Half of the team
Trickster. Oh, he's almost dead. Nope, that's his trick. He's probably in here.
Straight ahead of us. At 128.
Watch out. K9 unit incoming.
Dogs nearby.
Enemy down. Engaging zombies.
That's a bot. That wasn't him.
Oh.
Pulley. He's up at the top. I shot him up again. He pulleyed up to the top.
Orange extends over here.
I'm coming. So the guy up the hill. I mean, he ran.
So they need to grab his tags and his buddy's tags.
Mm-hmm.
Down to the last 5 teams.
Someone's under.
Airdrop has been delivered.
Oh, he's real.
Where is he?
Charlie. Right here.
In this house?
Yep, got him. Well, that was Charlie, so it still wasn't the person who actually ran away, but somebody grabbed a drop over here. Oh, footsteps over here.
There you go. Dog around me.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'm down to 150 again. Who got that? Oh! That was the first time Dog got a guy. I remember he was camping in the window. We didn't kill
Location
him.
exposed.
Blub, I see him at 150. Oh, yeah.
Oh, grab his tags. He doesn't work precise.
Airdrop is coming.
Hey, that's my first kill with my HS, I think, ever.
Wow, that's awesome. Dude, he has a billion kinetic.
Second kill.
Ooh, fast ADS. No more revives, 2v3.
Moved down at least 2 of their teammates. Oh, yeah. I have this gun. There's a red dot on it.
The safe zone is collapsing.
Ravenger. Ravenger guy did not die yet.
Nope, I see him. He's flanking your left. Oh, he got.
Like, alright.
Yeah, I see him.
2 teams left. Getting
Okay,
close to
heal.
victory.
Did you get him? Oh,
Yeah.
dang, you're fast. 2v1. Oh, I hear him. He's right here.
Hang out, Chris. Oh, he's wounded.
Got him.
Nice job.